gosh. Today we're making seamoss. I'm trying to be as cute as I can because we actually have to head out. Oh. Anyway. Let me put this in my pocket. That's crazy. That was crazy. Blackberries. Raspberries. Strawberries. Blueberries. Lemon. I'm actually dizzy, hot, all of the above. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm trying this new segment where I just I do poll, like a fit check, and then I poll. So that's what I was doing. It's hot as fuck. So we're gonna start with our seamoss. I'm gonna start with that. We're gonna eyeball some of this. This is gonna be the long form content. I realized I could literally just make my content and then post it on YouTube. That's really gonna be the trick to staying consistent. So I only put a little bit. I didn't even use, look at how much is left. Look at how much is left. Also, it's based on your taste buds. So do whatever it is that you need to do. Do that. Don't try to blame me when your shit come out nasty though. Please don't. Blueberries, blackberries. And honestly, I don't know. Well, it's different for everybody because you could get sea moss from a lot of different places. But luckily for me, my neighbor is a sea moss plug, so I get it from him. Isn't that convenient as fuck? Again, half. Blueberries. Half. Strawberries. Lemon. Honey, a little bit. Yeah. Yep.